Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of sharing a thread via Facebook posts in X. If you want to share a conversation or a thread from X on your Facebook newsfeed, we'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the specific thread or conversation that you want to share. Step 3. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards. Step 4. From the bottom slider, tap on Facebook Newsfeed. X will now open your Facebook newsfeed, allowing you to compose a post and share the thread with your Facebook friends and followers. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a thread via Facebook posts in X, making it convenient to engage, share information, or spark discussions on your Facebook newsfeed. Sharing threads on Facebook posts provides a seamless way to connect with your friends and followers, share valuable insights, or simply keep them informed about important conversations. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to share a thread via Facebook posts in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.